Hey tech fans, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to do screen recording on your device. So in this, I will guide you on the easiest and step-by-step process to do screen recording on your mobile. So first of all, you have to scroll from up. So inside that, now you can see I already given that screen recording icon on first section only. But if it will be not available here, now you can see here edit option is there. Tap on edit. So in that you will be getting system toggle and one will be app toggle, but that will be available in the system toggle. If it will be available on your device, so you have to tap on plus icon. It will be showing as a green. Now you can see here, so it will be showing like that, and you have to tap that and you can add that here only in that upside here. After that adding, now you can see here that tick mark is there. You have to tap on this. So in this way you can add that, but if it will be not available on your device, so you have to go Google Play Store. Inside that you have to search for AZ screen recorder. So second one you can see here screen recorder is there. After that you have to do install. After installing you have to set up all process what it will be asking. So after that you can use that application on your device for the screen recording. So in this way you can do the screen recording on your mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.